What up, guys? We just finished ripping down the mountain at Mountain High. We went snowboarding. We were strapping. We were like, we're here in Pasadena. We're here to check out Core TCG. It's a Pokemon TCG place where you can buy Pokemon. I got an Alakazam EX box here. It had a bunch of bangers in them. They had 4 packs, and all 4 packs had some full arts, had some special rares, and I got the Blastoise, thank God. This is what it looks like right here.
Let's go.
It looks sick. So we're back here, had to come back, and we're gonna just see what they got. They have some Evolving Sky single packs, and then they have some X and Y series packs as well, but they're like 40 bucks, so I might get a pack or I might get the Alakazam EX, I'm not sure. We'll see what they got. It's Sunday, it's pretty packed, it looks like, on the inside. And yeah, we'll take you inside and we'll take a look.
Let's go.
Yeah, let's go. What do you think of those Broncos?
Hi. Aw.
What's up? I got my my second in command with me.
Partner in crime.
Partner in crime. Wait,
Per usual. TCG. Sponsored by ESPN Sports.
Look at you, you're looking mighty pink today. You look like Jigglypuff.
I look like Pepto-Bismol right now.
You look like Jigglypuff.
And I give zero crap.
So we're getting, what packs are we getting, babe? You ready?
Yeah.
Welcome back. Today we are opening up another Pokemon 151 Alakazam EX box. The last time I opened one up, we got 5 hits plus the promo card, which was awesome. I got a Blastoise EX. I got 2 Blastoise EXs. So we decided to open up another one. We are also opening up a text sticker, Paldean Fates. It's got 3 packs in it. It's the collection series. It looks like this.
Let's go. Yes, it does.
Yeah, it looks cool. Hopefully we can get some cool shinies. It comes with a cool promo card. We'll show you guys that. On top of that, we also went and hit up Vaughn's. They have a Pokemon vending machine, which we thought was really cool. Yeah, we got like 4 or 5 packs. No, we got 4 packs. We got 4 packs from that vending machine. It was really cool. We got Silver Tempest, we got Paldean Evolved, and then I think we got 2 Scarlet and Violets. And then I also picked up an Evolving Skies. It's a huge set. I think it was like 10 bucks for the pack. So hopefully we can pick up like one of those Umbreons that everyone's chasing right now. I'll put it like what it looks like right here.
Let's go.
Everyone's chasing for it. Kaylee Baby and me are gonna be opening up 12 packs. So 6 packs for me and then 6 packs for her.
I think that's it.
I think that's it.
It's a lot of packs.
It's a lot of packs. Well, it's 12 packs. We're gonna make it a quick video, and yeah, we're gonna hop right into the video. Okay, that was a mission trying to get all the lighting and the audio and all that stuff. So these are the packs that we got. We got 3 Paldean, or sorry, 3, yeah, actually I was right. 3 Paldean Fates for Pokemon 151.
For me?
We got Silver Tempest, we got Scarlet and Violet, we got Evolving Skies, and then we got Paldean Evolved.
Also for me.
Right, also for Kaylee Baby. Before we get anything started, I wanted to show my girlfriend got me this for Valentine's Day. I thought it was super cool. It's a Pokemon card. Yeah, really rad.
It
so
seriously looks like a Pokemon card,
But yeah,
right?
this is the card. It was a Valentine's Day gift. Yeah, super cool. Very clever.
Aww.
Thanks, my love. Appreciate you.
Love you.
Okay, this was one of the promo cards. It's a shiny from Paldean Fates. I'm gonna sleeve this up really quick. Don't like dig too much of your finger into it, but, and then that's the pack, there's a pack trick for that too.
Let's hear it. All right. Nice.
This is Silver Tempest. Oh, let's see if we can get another Lugia V full art.
I don't know what that means, but
It's
yeah.
it's the card that I got graded.
Oh, really? Okay.
Yeah. Smeargle!
First full art of the night. Let's go. Yo, that's sick.
No, that's a cool
Is it
looking
a
card.
rainbow?
It's not a rainbow, but that's a really cool looking card.
Nice. Okay.
Yo.
Thank you, Silver Tempest.
That's a really, really, really cool looking card.
Nice.
Smurgle.
Smirgle. Reminds me of what's his name? Smeagol?
Smeagol. I know.
Smeagol.
For a second, I thought it was Smeagol. Fancy.
Fancy. Rare candy. Isn't that the website name?
Yes, it is. I think that's why they called it that.
Look at me taking notes.
This is the artwork on this is insane.
I know, right?
Sorry, hold on.
Are you kidding me?
Artwork for this is really freaking cool.
It's like interrupting my...
Look at the guy in the back right there on the left.
I didn't even notice that. It's like, where's Waldo?
Where's Waldo? That's who I was thinking of.
What would you do without me?
Youngster.
Ooh.
Lucario.
We have Sonic.
Shoot. Ooh.
Okay, that's nice.
Meridian EX.
I love the artwork in this.
Yeah, that's a cool EX.
Nice. Oh, heck yeah.
Very nice.
Very nice, very nice.
151. So we're still looking for that Charizard, the #1 card everyone's looking for. I got the Blastoise EX. That was the card I was really looking forward to getting and pulling. So I'm stoked I got that. What's the other one that I wanted to get? Oh, the Bulbasaur and the Venusaur and the Charmeleon.
There we go.
There's still a lot. There's a couple Charizards I haven't gotten yet. So I'm really looking forward to trying to pull those.
Is this 3 to the back?
No, there's no pack trick.
Okay.
If you wanted to see the energy first, it doesn't matter actually.
I don't.
Okay.
Thank you though. I love the way these cards smell. Am I weird?
No, I love the way it is too. Yeah, there we go. Because now there's 2 of us in the video, so I gotta make it bigger. Bigger!
Bigger!
Caterpie, Golbat. Yeah, the way they smell, the way cards smell.
Yeah, they smell really
Smells so good.
Snorlax.
Snorlax.
Happen?
I do, yes.
Diglett.
Chansey.
Again?
Oh, we got a Chansey, okay.
Don't you have Chansey? I can't remember.
I really like Chansey. I don't know, well, even though it's not a full art, I do really like Chansey.
Thoughtful and...
Ooh, the other 151. Let's go.
Get out of my way.
Sorry.
I'm trying to get these pulls, babe. All right, let's see what we got in here. Woohoo.
You can put it here on this side. It's a little bit easier for you.
Thanks. Jigglypuff.
Jigglypuff.
Aww.
I have a good feeling about this one.
I have a good feeling. Horsey.
Okay, let's see what we got.
Okay.
Articuno. Oh, man.
Man. Okay.
Babe!
Hey!
Okay.
I pulled that really sick card.
Sleeve this guy up. Okay.
Yeah.
This is the newest set.
This is the one we got from Vaughn's, right?
Nope. This is from the 3-pack blister that we got. The collection sticker series set, whatever it's called.
You are right.
Hey, you're opening them up way better now.
Yeah.
See?
Not like a bag of chips though.
Kind of like a bag of chips.
Right.
Trying not the right.
Okay.
Let's get a hit. Let's see. We're chasing that Charizard too. There's a really, really sick Charizard in this set.
Ooh, what's that?
Electric Generator.
Wow, nice.
Yo, Paldean Student!
Yo, cool.
That's a cool looking card.
I'm a student.
Yeah, she's a student.
I'm such a nerd. Yeah, that's cool.
Yeah, that's a really cool card.
It's like the whole squad's here.
Yeah, that's like the whole school's in town.
Nice. That's cool.
Everyone made it to detention, looks like. Oh, super cool. That's a cool card.
Nice. I love that. It's like, I don't know, everyone's like having a good time.
Something like that.
Heck yeah.
Let's go. Is this Scarlet and Violet Paldean Evolved? No, it's not. It's Scarlet and Violet.
Yes. What do we got? What do we got? What do we got?
What do we got?
A
Picnic basket. Oh! Is that a Bennett EX?
Nice. Poltergeist?
Poltergeist. I have this card already. Hey, but you know what? It's still a hit. It's still considered a hit.
A hit is a hit.
A hit is a hit.
That we are thankful for.
Yes. Okay. Paldean Evolved next.
Oh, that's cute.
Is that Rockruff?
Mm-hmm. Oh, he's even cuter.
Oh, I'm pulling these all wrong. Sorry, guys.
How embarrassing.
Accidents happen. Okay.
Choice belt. Interesting.
Interesting.
Doing such a great job at beating me.
Yeah, not doing the best job right
You're
now.
doing fine. You're doing great. Honestly, I'm really.
You can do a sleeve up for that. Thank you.
I'm really.
Charmander.
Maybe this is a sign. Maybe that's.
I don't know, for Paldean Fates?
Yeah, probably not. You're right.
Oh, snap. Come on, come on. Give me something good. I can feel it. No!
You have like 5 of those.
No! Okay, so no bangers with that one. So, back to Paldean Fates. I would love to get something. The Charizard would be cool, but you already got a hit.
So what?
From Paldean Fates. Well, I'm just saying, I don't know how many hits come in like a Blitzer pack of 3.
Hopefully more than 1.
All right.
Here goes nothing.
Here goes nothing. The Paldean student, you got the full art for that.
That's so cool.
You know, being a student,
it's really the only time it ever comes in handy is pulling a Pokemon card.
it's cool that you got a student card.
I know, right? Maybe it's telling me not to drop out.
Yeah, definitely don't drop out. Is this like sticky? There's 2 cards sticking to this.
No, they just feel really thick.
What?
Wait, I might need to go through some of mine because some of mine felt really thick. Like that.
Yo!
That's awesome!
This is a really cool card. And that was stuck to the back of this?
Yeah, because it's so different, right? Like.
Yeah, but this is like an EX. This is like a super shiny.
Ooh. That's cool.
That was one way to open that.
It's like a double surprise.
Double surprise.
Wow. That's so cool.
Yo, so rad. All right, on to 151. All right, here we go. Here goes nothing.
I said that already.
Eevee. Ivysaur would be a really cool full art to get. Slow grow.
What did we
Weeping Bell. I didn't see anything. Did you see something?
But I did.
No, you didn't. Oh! A strikeout. Don't let me down. We got 2 more packs left. Grimmer?
No thanks.
Psyduck. Cubone. Pidgeot. Tauros. Charmeleon. Starmie. Stormy. All right, we got Evolving Skies. It's the last pack magic. This is the big set.
Let's go. That's cool. I am in peace.
It's a white code card. I don't know. That's a good sign. Okay, so we got 1, 2, 3, 4.
I think that's a good sign, babe. Fire sign?
Fire sign. Let's go.
That's a cool card.
It's like the Lion King. Ooh, bats.
I feel like there's something in here.
Got one more, I think. Okay, that was, this was the hit that we got for Evolving Skies.
Sorry, excuse of a
Not the greatest, we'll just leave that up. So out of all those, these were our hits.
Nice.
We got some cool cards.
We really did.
I was expecting a lot more, but it's cool. We'll take like, 5 hits. Anyways, make sure to subscribe and drop a like on your way out today. Thanks for tuning in. And yeah, we'll see you on the next one.
Bye.